One of the biggest difficulties people face when they first start doing email marketing is having to constantly come up with new, interesting campaign ideas every week. That's why I knew I had to make this video where I'm going to give you not 2, not 3, not 4, but 21 email campaign ideas for your marketing strategy. I also broke it down into 4 different categories to make it easier to remember and apply. Those are product-focused emails, holiday emails, sales and special offers, and content-focused emails. Okay, it's gonna take us a while, so let's go. We're going to start with product-focused emails. This is probably the most important category because the majority of people don't buy simply because you don't show them your products often enough. That's why we're going to start with new arrivals. This example is a very simple and clean email from Potter's Cook Shop. They just recently released a new collection. They show a couple of collection highlights, a few products to give you a sneak peek into what the collection is gonna be. And I also really love the added social proof because it's not just their new collection, but it's also a collab with a British TV chef and personality. So that creates a lot of anticipation and trust into the quality of this collection. Email campaign idea number 2 is bestsellers. This one is one of my personal favorites because of how easy it is to do. Simply pick 5 to 10 best-selling or most popular products from your store, put them inside of an email, maybe add a couple of customer reviews, and you're good to go. And another great thing about this one is that you can do it multiple times throughout the year. You can do bestsellers of the season or even best-selling products of every month. Number 3, category or product line promo. The way this is different from the new arrivals is that this category doesn't have to be a new one, it can just be relevant at this certain season. For example, summer is coming up and Wood & Twist India here are promoting their range of swings, so you can put them outside and have a great time relaxing outdoors. Number 4, one product-focused email. The advantage of this one is that you can really dive deep and get really persuasive about one particular product. And I really love this example from Apple. They've got a compelling headline, they've got a really clean and minimal design, and they outline 8 benefits of the iPad Pro, making me really want to buy this. Finally, number 5, the last product-focused email is back in stock. This one's great if you've got lots of products that are limited edition or seasonal. And in this example, YFood are promoting one of their customer favorites, Funky Peanut, becoming back in stock. Moving on to holiday emails. Number 6 is Christmas. This one's pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to share this example that combines back in stock and holiday promo. And they're saying, it's Christmas, so our holiday blend is back. Number 7, Valentine's Day. This one's pretty self-explanatory too, but what we can learn from this example is how they talk about order by February 6th to get it by Valentine's Day. This is a great message and can be applied to pretty much any other holiday. Number 8, Independence Day, like 4th of July in the United States. This one's usually huge and creates a deeper bond and connection between you and your community. Number 9, Easter. This one is super simple. Happy Easter. Enjoy 15% off your next order. Let's go to the next one. And this one's another one of my favorites. Number 10, literally any other day. So you can literally make up your own holidays or find a bunch of holidays that are celebrated around the world on daysoftheyear.com. And in this email example, they're talking about National Deep Dish Pizza Day. I didn't know that something like this exists. Now I do, and looking at this, I really want some pizza. Moving on to sales and special offers, and we're going to start with number 11, flash sale. I love doing flash sale emails because they're usually so simple and quick to put together. But at the same time, you can have so much fun and variety with how you're running your flash sales. For example, this time it could be a weekend flash sale, next time a midweek flash sale. This time it could be 20% off, next time it could be $5 off. This time there's no minimum required, next time you have to spend $50 and up. There's also buy one get one free offers and bundling offers and so many more deals that you can come up with for your flash sales. Number 12, a pre-order or early bird offer. This one's great because it helps create anticipation for an upcoming release, at the same time driving a little extra sales. And when the actual release day comes and you do send that new arrivals campaign, it's going to be so much more powerful because you've created this anticipation. Number 13, sale is live. A sale announcement email is a must-have, so I had to include it on this list. So whenever you do run a sale on your website, make sure to send an email about it to get more eyes on that sale. Number 14, the last chance email. 24 to 72 hours until the end of a sale, make sure to send another reminder saying last chance, create some scarcity, some urgency, and get people to act and buy. And number 15, the sale extended email. This one's really underrated. I don't see a lot of people doing this, but it's really, really powerful. All you have to do is send an email after the end of a sale saying that it got extended for another 24 to 72 hours, and it drives really good results. And moving on to the last category of today's list, which is content-focused emails. Content-focused emails are really underrated as well, but they're a crucial part of any email marketing strategy. Because if your strategy is just sale, 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 all the time everything's on sale, people are gonna stop reacting to those sales as well. But on the other hand, if it's constantly mixed with interesting and engaging content, everything's going to perform so much better across the board. So we're going to start with number 16, a blog or article feature. This one is another one of my favorites because of how easy it is to put together. Simply copy and paste the first paragraph or 3 to 4 sentences or so of your blog post or article, put them inside of an email, create some intrigue, and then put a button saying read more on our blog. You're done. Number 17, a video feature. Really similar to the previous one, but with video. And lots of brands have amazing and beautiful videos of their products in action, but they don't leverage them inside of their emails. Simply take a screenshot of that video or make a GIF with a few shots and put it inside of your email and link to that video. You've got views, you've got clicks, you've got engagement, and you've got sales. Simple. Number 18, an event promo. Email is a great place to promote both online and in-person events, so don't forget to leverage your email channel for that. And I've got another amazing example from Apple here. I'm just astonished by how little text or how little anything at all is on this email. So it creates a lot of intrigue, a lot of curiosity, and makes me want to click that Learn More button. Number 19, celebrity or influencer collabs. Now in this example, we've got Ariana Grande, and I'm probably never gonna get Ariana Grande to collab with me on any products, but if you're working with any celebrity or influencer, doesn't matter how big or small, it's really great and powerful social proof that helps establish a lot of trust. So make sure to feature them in your emails. Number 20, user-generated content. We're continuing the topic of trust and social proof, and what better way to establish trust than using real stories from real human beings. You probably have hundreds of customer reviews laying around and you're not leveraging them, so start putting them in your emails here and there, and it's gonna do a huge difference. And finally, number 21, humor. A little bit of humor helps a ton in establishing a deeper connection and trusting a person. So make sure that you don't sound like a robot, but like a real human being. And look at this example from Happy Socks for inspiration. It's a Christmas email and the headline is genius. It says it could be a lot worse because you could be gifting some generic black and white socks, but at least you're gifting happy socks. And that's it. I really hope that you found this helpful and that you're going to use at least a couple of these ideas in your email marketing strategy. We're also going to include a link to this slide deck with all of the 21 ideas and all of the examples that we looked at today in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Now go send a campaign.